smoke when we all celebrate success. So now we. Yeah, that's right, you know we. I thought I told you that we.
Hey guys, just a quick update. So I've still been busy chipping away at the car. You'll see that the seats are all in. Same with the door cards. And for the first time, the underpile and the carpet's in. So what I'm doing is I'm really just trying to see that I have everything, because I want to send this guy off to upholstery soon. I'm not going to use this cream roof lining. I put it in just to make sure that I have everything I need for it. But yeah, we are looking good. Wiring's in. It's a bit of a mess there. I'm trying to figure out how to route it correctly. So normally it would go sort of along the top here. I think in the Golfs it might go around the back to pop out here for the cluster. But yeah, it's been a very productive weekend, I must say. I still need to do this handbrake thing, so this is all the temporary fit just to get the carpet just to relax a little bit. And I think this is actually fitted the wrong way. So what I wanted to do, why is it not coming out? There we go. I think it actually goes this way, like that. Because I think the only part that you are meant to see is this part sticking out the boot. So I think it mounts that way. And you put it's very stiff since I put all the different short shift mods in. But anyway, so the boot would come over this, and you're only supposed to see this part through the leather. So you would lock it in place like that. I think it's meant to go like this. So what I might do just now is test fit the center console and just see. I've been fitting it the other way, but I think it's meant to be, and I think this is meant to be hidden inside the boot. That springs on backwards. It's supposed to be like that. But anyway, we'll test fit the boot just now and just check. I was really sure that this goes this way though, because it could do the same thing. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. I'm really sure it fits this way. So I need to keep spare keys and things with the other spare keys for the car. But yeah, we're looking good. Slowly making progress, although it's rapid progress, luckily. I'm going to get some help with the electrics, like I said I would. I'm missing quite a lot of that harness, and I just want some professional help just to get it over the line. Did it with the handbrake finally. I've got a place that's willing to look at the car for me and try and help things along. So yeah, so I was going to test, but please forgive the crystal indicators. These are placeholders only. I've got all of my original OEM stuff I need to tidy up, but for the life of me I cannot find the orange lenses. I have no idea where they are. So I know it doesn't look like it, but I have been going through boxes, consolidating stuff. I've freed up a pile of boxes here, and a lot of this stuff will disappear when it goes into the car. So that's kind of why everything is in, because the place will also get me to a point where I can get the car to the upholstery, and it's always been kind of get it running, get the exhaust on, handbrake working, engine running, electrics, everything, new roof lining, glass, and then I mean this is basically where we are, guys. We're very, very close to being done now finally. What I do need to do just now is I need to put the other scratch guard in on the other side, and then I need to take an inventory of all the cables and things. They're all under this bumper. Now this is an aftermarket bumper, and it's also the whole bumper with the crystals. This is temporary only. I need to find an original one. This is This is terrible, the quality of these aftermarket bumpers, and I'll show you why. So you've got to modify these standoffs on both sides. I'm going to have to grind some measure first and then grind away some material till it fits. I'm going to shove the crystals in just if I can find the remaining pieces of this. I think it's in the box. But I'm going to put the crystals in just to see how it looks. And then yeah, I need to do some plastic welding on the grills to put the grills in, because I want to run the grills with these the sensors with the spots in the vehicle. So yeah, I need to tidy up this stuff. I was going to do try some Damascus using this old power line. Well, this is actually the guy wire, not the power line itself. But yeah, heat it up, twist it, then stick it up, power hammer, and try and make some cable Damascus. But I need to cut it into more manageable pieces. And then yeah, I brought this table. This used to be the 3D printer table. I brought this into the garage just to try and the aim is obviously to clear these things, but yeah, just for some storage while I was emptying the car to get the interior in. The carpet's not 100%. I mean, obviously I haven't glued it or tacked it down yet. It's just sitting loose, but it's been folded under the stairs here, folded over itself for ages. So whenever I would roll it out, it would start to sort of fold back on itself. So at least this way, it can start taking the shape of the car again. And I must be honest, guys, I've said this before, but I'm really liking the look of these grey seats in this car. Period correct seats. So this is an interesting dilemma. Do I use the GTI material I bought, or do I stay here with the grey seats? But yeah, I'm going to leave it there, guys. My camera's whinging about power, and yeah, let me edit and upload this. It'll probably be a double upload, and yeah, hopefully next time you see this thing will be running. Cheers for now. Hi guys, thanks so much for watching. If you want to see more and be kept up to date, please follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and subscribe to my channel. With your help, we can get this project complete and move on to the next one. Bye for now.